start the chapter. Exponent is very interesting, also important. So what is exponent? Exponent means so many numbers are given, we have to make it certain. Suppose 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's are there? 5 2's are there. So we can write it 2 to the power 5. So this is in the exponent form. Here 5 is called the power and 2 is called the base. So 5 is the power, 2 is the base. This is the fundamental things about exponent. Now I will explain to you some formulas related to this chapter which are very important, not required to be remembered. Just to understand it, the concept should be clear so that you can do any types of problem exponent will come, you can do. So first you understand the formulas I am explaining to you. First formula is suppose a, b are two variables and mn are the positive integer. So suppose a to the power m into a to the power n. So here the base is same and it is multiplied. A to the power m multiplied with a to the power n. So in the exponential form we can write a to the power m plus n. If it is multiplication, the power must be added. Suppose for example 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 6. So we can write it 2 to the power 5 plus 6. So it will be 2 to the power 11. So this is the first formula. Then come to the next formula, second formula. Second formula, suppose both the number a to the power m divided by a to the power n. It is multiplication, here it is division. If it is division, the power must be subtracted. So it will be a to the power m minus n. So for example 2 to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 5. So we can write it 2 to the power 8 minus 5 is equal to 2 to the power 3. So understood, when it is multiplied then power added. Here it is divided, power subtracted. This is the most common formulas in exponent. Now the third formula is suppose the power 2 times given a to the power m to the power n. So in this case both the power must be multiplied. So it becomes a to the power mn. For example 3 to the power 3 to the power 2. So it will be 3 to the power 3 into 2 6. This is the way. Suppose anybody question is written like this 3 to the power 3 to the power 2. No bracket is given. So we cannot multiply. We cannot write 3 to the power 6. This is wrong. This is wrong. We cannot write like this. The bracket must be given. So 3 to the power 3, then within bracket another power is given. So both the power multiplied. So it becomes 3 to the power 6. Then next the fourth formula. Fourth formula, suppose if the power is given 0. Power is given, suppose a to the power 0. So it becomes 1. Any number power. Suppose 5 to the power 0. It is 1. 500 to the power 0. It is 1. Any number power is 0 means it is 1. It is a common thing you have to be remembered. So you pause the video and you have to write this formula in your copy. Next, the fifth formula. Suppose your power is given in the negative form. Here in all the cases the power is in the positive form. Suppose fifth case the power is given in the negative form. Suppose a to the power minus n. So in this case we have to make it reciprocate. We can write 1 upon a to the power m. For example, 3 to the power minus 5. We can write 1 upon 3 to the power 5. Now it becomes positive, the power. Here the negative, when it reciprocates, it becomes positive. So this is the fifth formula. Now come to the sixth formula. Sixth one is, suppose a by b to the power m. Here whole power is given, a by b to the power m. We can, in the formula, we can separate the power. We can write a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Understood? Now like this, seventh one, similar type. Suppose ab to the power m. Here multiplied, whole power. So you can separate the power, a to the power m into b to the power m. Many cases in the question, multiplied sign not given, a dot is given. This dot means multiplication, you have to understand. Many cases is not given multiply sign, just given the dot. So you have to understand that a to the power m into b to the power m. This is the seventh formula. Now the eighth formula. Eighth formula is, suppose a to the power m is equal to a to the power n. Both sides you see the base is same, a, but the power is not same. If the base is same, it implies m is equal to n. That means power is equal. For example, 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 5. So implies the base is same, 3. So x is equal to 5. This is the eighth formula. Now the ninth formula. Suppose here power is same, base is different. A to the power m is equal to b to the power m. Here power is same, but base is different. So if power is same, then base is equal to a is equal to b. For example, 3 to the power 5 is equal to x to the power 5. So in both the cases, power is same, so base is equal, so x is equal to 3. Understood? These are the formulas related to the exponent chapter. If you understand these formulas, not required totally to remember or by heart the things. In mathematics, so many formulas there. Not required to remember, understand, only to understand it, not to remember or by heart it. If the formula just you understand, then you use these formulas. When the question will come, problems easily you can solve. If these 9 formulas you understand properly, any type of problem in exponent it can come, you can do. Now I am doing variety type of problems related to exponent. How the question is coming also in the exam, such type of problems I am doing. You have to do in your copy. So first one I am doing for you. Suppose question is given, question number 1, 27 into 9 to the power minus 3 by 2. So 27 in the power form we can write. In the power form how can we write? 27, the factor we have to find. 3 divisible 9, then 3. So 3 3s are there. 3 into 3 into 3 into 9 also we can write in the power form. 3 to the power 2 to the power minus 3 by 2. So here 3 3s are there. So in the power form we can write 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power here 2 into minus 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 3. Now I have told you in the formula, if it is multiplied, the power should be added. So 3 to the power 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 to the power 0. is equal to, if power is 0 in the formula I have told you, it becomes 1. So answer is 1. Understood? Now come to another question I am doing. Suppose another question is given. Five to the power 0, question number 2, 5 to the power 0 into 4 to the power minus 1 into, plus 8 to the power 2 by 3. You know power is 0 means it becomes 1. So 1 into 4 to the power minus 1. Power is negative. So it will be reciprocate 1 by 4 plus 8. In the power form we can write 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 by 3. So 3 cancel. So 1 into 1 by 4 plus 2 to the power 2. 1 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. So LCM is here. 4 here, denominator nothing is there. So LCM is 4. So 4 divisible by 4, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Plus here no denominator, directly multiply the LCM. 4 into 4, 16. So it will becomes 17 by 4. Understood? Now another question I am doing. The third question is very important. Many times this type of question came in the exam. So understood properly. Many times children are doing mistake this type of problem only. But question is very easy. Question number 3. X to the power a divided by x to the power b to the power a plus b into x to the power b by x to the power c to the power b plus c into x to the power c by x to the power a c plus a. Question is given this much. You have to simplify or solve. So first it is divided. So power, if it is divided, power we have to subtract. So x to the power a minus b to the power a plus b into x to the power b minus c to the power b plus c into x to the power c minus a to the power c plus a. So it becomes here power to the power. So both two powers given. So what in the formula telling? We have to multiply the power. So multiply it, x to the power a plus b into a minus b into x to the power b plus c into b minus c into x to the power c plus a into c minus a. Now this is one formula. In algebra you have learned in class 7 also. A plus b into a minus b. Formula you know it. The formula is a square minus b square. So directly in place of a plus b into a minus b we can write a square minus b square. So x to the power a square minus b square into x to the power b square minus c square into x to the power c square minus a square. So now it is multiplied. Everywhere the base is same, x. So we have to add the power. So x to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Here plus a square minus a square cancel, plus b square minus b square cancel, plus c square minus c square cancel. So everything is cancelled. So what is left? X to the power 0 is equal to 1. Power is 0 means the answer is 1. Solve. So easy. This much you have to do. You will get 4 mark question like this you will get in the exam. And very important but very easy. Now another variety problem I am doing. Question number 4. Another type. Suppose variable is given to you. How to solve by taking common. Write in your copy. Pause the video and write it in your copy. So question number 4. 7 to the power n plus 3 minus n into 7 to the power n plus 1 all divided 31 into 7 to the power n plus 1 minus 3 into 7 to the power n plus 1. Now here 7 to the power n plus 3, here 7 to the power n plus 1. In between minus sign is there. So this is one number, this total is one number. So in between, every time you observe that if any variable, n is the variable is given here. So if any variable is there, always try to bring it to common in the numerator also, in the denominator also, so that it will cancel. So the variable is n. So here 7 to the power n plus 3. We separate the power. Here also 7 to the power n plus 1. We have to separate the power. How to separate? 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 3 minus 9 into 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 1. We have to separate the power. In the denominator also do the same thing. 31 into 7 to the power n into 7 minus 3 into 7 to the power n into 7. 7 to the power 1 means 7. So 1 not power is 1 not required to write. Now you have to separate the power. Now this is one number, this is now one number. In between minus sign is there. In both the number, what is common we have to take. Here 7 to the power n is there. Here also 7 to the power n is there. So we can take common. Always try to take them common, so that in the numerator and denominator it will cancel. So 7 to the power n you take common. So what left? 7 to the power 3 minus 9 into 7. Now in the denominator also same. The 7 to the power n here also 7 to the power n, take common. So what left? 31 into 7 minus 3 into 7. So 7 to the power n, 7 to the power n cancel. Now the variable cancel. Now what, only the number left? So you can easily solve. So 7 to the power 3, space is not there, that's why I am writing here, but you have to write step by step with the down. 7 to the power 3, 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 into 7, 49, 49 into 7, 343. So 343 minus 9 into 7, 63, 31 into 7, 217 minus 21. So 343 minus 63, 0, 8, 280. 280 divided by 217 minus 21. 217 minus 21, 6, 196. Correct? So 196. Now this number is cancelled with 4. Reduced to the, always reduced to the lowest term. So 70 here. Again it is cancelled with 7, 10 by 7. So the answer is 10 by 7. Always the answer you write in the lowest form. So understood? if a variable is given, always try to bring the variable outside in the numerator and denominator so that it will cancel, so we will get the answer. This is one type of problem. Another type I am doing question number 5. This type of problem, question number 4, like it is difficult, so another same type I am doing. Question number 5, 2 to the power minus n into 8 to the power 2n plus 1 into 16 to the power 2n divided by 4 to the power 3n is equal to 1 by 16. This is another type of problem. If this is given and n, question given to you, so we have to find the value of n. So how to solve? All here 2 is given, here 8 is given, here 16 is given, here 4 is given base. All you bring in the same form, in the power of 2. So here you write 2 is already here, 2 to the power minus n. 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 to the power 2n plus 1 into 16 we can write 2 to the power 4 to the power 2n all divided by 4 we can write 2 to the power 2 to the power 3n is equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16 also in the power of 2 we can write 1 by 2 to the power 4. Now here 2 to the power minus n into 2 to the power, multiply the power with power, so 3 into 2n 6n, 3 into 1 3 into 2 to the power 8n, 2 to the power 2 into 3n 6n is equal to, here 1 by 2, if we will reciprocate it, the power becomes negative, 1 by 2 is given. In the 2 form we can write, in the 2 form if we write, it becomes 2 to the power minus 4.